Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today, we have a very useful video. If you have plugged in your USB thumb drive and it completely refuses to show up in Windows 11, do not panic. Your files are likely still there. Windows just simply forgot how to label the drive. Let's dive in. First, we need to access the built-in Windows tool that controls all of your connected drives. Note that you need Disk Management for this, not Device Manager. Right-click directly on the Start menu icon on your taskbar and select Disk Management. Once the window opens, look at the list of drives at the bottom. You should see your USB drive listed there based on its storage capacity, but you will notice it is missing a designated drive letter. To make the drive visible to your File Explorer again, we just need to assign it a brand new letter. Right-click directly on that unlettered USB block and select the option that says Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click the Add button, pick any available letter from the drop-down menu, and click OK. This instantly forces Windows to mount the partition, and your USB drive will immediately pop up on your screen, totally good as new and ready to use. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.